When we get our outputs in PSPP, persons might want to edit their outputs. You probably want to copy the diagrams or the table specifically. In SPSS, there are a lot of different mechanism in which you could edit your graphs, change your colors, edit your table, add stuff to your diagrams. PSPP does not have all those features. So most you could probably do sometimes is just probably copy the images. But for example, if you want a table like this and you're trying to edit it, you look, you cannot edit it. If you try to right click, nothing with right click. So we might try something like Control C. So you hold Control press C and you come to Microsoft Word and you paste and you say, okay, I have the table here. But when you try to click again, when you look, nothing is happening. It's saved as a picture and you cannot edit it. So you must be wondering what you could do. So what you could do, you come into the output viewer and you click File, Export. To export, so I will save this in my downloads. So when you go to export, you select file type, and this is the important part, and you're looking for open document. Click open document, give it a name, let's name it output, and let us click save. So now we go into downloads and here we have output. So when we open it, now we are seeing the table here and we are able to edit the table. If you want, you could put your different grid and borders around it, and now you could go, you could edit if you want, widen, do whatever you please. And that's how you could edit your outputs. And then from here, you could choose to do all edits here, or if you just want to copy the table, you go back to your original document and you paste, and you have it there where you could always edit afterwards. So that is how you could get your tables. Things like graphs, if you get graphs, so the graphs, you might not be able to do much with the graphs. So if we go to frequencies again, let's leave faculty there, and let's say we do our bar charts. Click continue, click OK. We'll get our bar charts here. We wouldn't really be able to edit this. But the most you could probably do is Control C, copy it, and you come to your document, Control V, paste, but you wouldn't be able to edit it. But it would be good if you have your information. You could use some other software and you could probably create your diagrams using the data that you have to get something that, probably something more to your liking. But yes, but that is how you could save your tables from output viewer in a format where you could edit them.